Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to enable automatic picture-in-picture for sites on Opera GX. So to do this, from the home menu, open up your settings. You can use the keyboard shortcut Alt and P, and once you get to settings, the next thing you're going to do is scroll all the way down until you see privacy and security, and then you look for site settings. Click on site settings, scroll all the way down until you see additional permission, then click on the right side where the arrow is that points down. Now that arrow brings out the additional settings, and now the additional settings you scroll all the way down until you see automatic picture-in-picture. Click on it. Now once you do that, it's normal for sites to use this automatic picture-in-picture feature to enter picture-in-picture automatically. What this means is that it allows you to continue watching a video while freeing up your screen for other tasks. So if you want to allow this feature, you want to enable this feature, click on this. So that means sites can enter picture-in-picture automatically. If you do not want to allow sites to enter picture-in-picture automatically, click on this. That means you cannot continue watching a video while freeing up your screen for other tasks. So the choice is yours. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.